Welcome back to Module 2.5. In this lecture video, I'm going to show you how to find what we so-called the equivalent fractions. So the reason why we learn how to find the least common multiple, because once I can find the least common multiple, then I can actually have a greater denominator in order for me to find the equivalent fraction before we can add or subtract fractions. So whatever fractions that you have originally with a denominator 11, for example, all right, if my least common multiple turn out to be 44, that means 11, I'm going to write it a different way, okay? I'm going to say 4 over 11 right here on the top. So to find the equivalent fraction, let's say my least common multiple is 44. That means 11 will go into 44 4 times. That means my denominator needs to times by 4 to become the new least common multiple or the least common denominator. Therefore, my numerator will also multiply by 4, which is 16. So the question mark here is going to be 16. All right. So we learned about equivalent fraction when we actually reduced fractions in a previous video. So for example, if I have 2 over 6 and I want to simplify this fraction, reduce the top and the bottom by 2, then its equivalent fraction is going to be 1/3. All right, so now we just go from 1/3 perspective to 2 over 6. So if I want to go the other way, I will multiply by 2 times, or 3 will go into 6 2 times. So the 1 will got to times 2 to become the new numerator. Okay, it goes vice versa, basically. So right now, with another example, let's say my denominator was 15. My new least common denominator is 60. So to find its equivalent fraction, 15 to 60 got to be 4 times. So the numerator 1 go to the question mark, got to also times by 4. So the question mark got to equal to 4. All right. So let's say my new denominator is 56. The old one was 7. So go from 11 over 7 to new denominator 56. The denominator got to go into the 56 8 times. So the denominator technically going to increase by 8 or times by 8. So is the numerator. So 11 times 8 is 88. So all these got all this equivalent fraction got to do with adding and subtracting of fractions. Alrighty. So that will conclude this lecture video on how to find equivalent fractions. Thank you for watching.